Most people get this wrong. They think retirement planning is just about saving money. But the surprising truth about Principal Retirement Planner is that it combines personalized investment advice, goal tracking, and real-time planning tools in one platform. Principal Retirement Planner helps you project your retirement savings based on your income, age, and lifestyle goals. You won't believe what happens next. It can suggest adjustments to your contributions, investment allocations, and even spending habits to help you stay on track. Using the platform is straightforward. You input your current savings, expected income, and desired retirement age. The software then calculates projections and shows how different choices, like increasing contributions or shifting investments, impact your future. It also provides educational resources to help you make informed decisions. One advantage is its comprehensive view. It considers 401ks, IRA, pensions, and Social Security benefits all in one place. You can experiment with what-if scenarios, like retiring earlier or adjusting your risk tolerance. The platform is intuitive, with clear charts and summaries for quick understanding. However, it's not perfect. Some features may require a financial advisor to fully utilize, and it's more tailored to U.S. residents with standard retirement accounts. The learning curve may be a bit steep if you are new to retirement planning. In conclusion, Principal Retirement Planner is ideal for anyone serious about retirement planning who wants a clear, data-driven roadmap. It's especially valuable for mid-career professionals aiming to optimize contributions and investment strategies. Subscribe for more honest reviews to make smarter financial decisions for your future.